In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply Checkbox in Smartsheet, Task Completion 2026. We'll set up a clean checkbox column you can use to mark task completion, flag items, or highlight priorities, all without changing your existing data. Start by opening your browser and going to smartsheet.com. If you're not already signed in, log into your account with your usual credentials and continue to your workspace. That's it for login, quick and simple. After you sign in, you'll land on your home page. Here, you'll see your recent items and, on the left sidebar, access to workspaces and sheets. We'll work from that left area so you can locate the right place for your checkbox column. Click all workspaces to expand the list of workspaces available to you. If you manage multiple projects, this is where they're organized. Expanding this section helps you see everything at a glance and find the project you want to update. Choose any existing workspace you want to use. Pick the one that contains the sheet where you'd like to add the checkbox. If you're collaborating with a team, make sure you have permission to edit the sheet structure, as changing columns requires editor or admin access. Now open the specific sheet you want to modify. This could be your task tracker, sprint board, content calendar, anything where a checkbox will help indicate status or completion. Move your mouse to the last column header in the sheet and click the three dots icon. This opens the column menu. From here, you can insert a new column to the left or to the right. Selecting Insert Column Right is often tidier because it places the new checkbox column at the far end, keeping your existing layout intact. Once the new column dialog appears, give your column a clear, meaningful name. Something like Done, Task Completed, or Status. Next, set the column type to Checkbox. In the checkbox settings, you can choose the visual style, a standard check mark, a flag, or a star. The check is great for completion. The flag is handy for attention or follow-up, and the star works well for priorities. You'll also see an option labeled Restrict to Checkbox Only. Turn this on if you want to prevent any non-checkbox values from being entered in that column, which helps keep your data clean and consistent. When you're happy with the settings, click OK to add the column. That's it. Your new checkbox column is now part of the sheet. You and your team can click to mark items completed, flagged, or starred, making task status clear at a glance.